Hey guys, we're just doing some more work to the cars today. Not this one, but we'll be doing it on this one. Anyway, I've bought some heater dials for it, so that's what we're going to do today. These are the heater dials that we're fitting, and I'm showing you in the blue cart because the battery's flat in the red one, because project life. Anyway, these are really nice and illuminate when you turn on the lights. Anyway, let's get into it. It's pretty simple, so let's crack on. Back in the red one, and standard dials, as you can see. Make sure they're all pointing straight up, makes them easier to take out. These are the dials that I bought that I think they were about £11 after they were delivered, and in the box you literally just get the dials packaged in some bubble wrap. All you're going to need is literally some long nose pliers just to get the old ones off, and I'll show you that now. Right, you'll have to bear with me with this one because I'm right-handed and it's awkward to hold the camera, but it's literally grab and pull and they come straight out. You'll notice that your centre dial is a half moon shaped one, and there's a half moon shaped one of these, so you can't really go wrong. Put them in and that's it fitted. Sorry for the glare because it's a bit rubbish. Too sunny today, but we'll get the other ones sorted. These ones have the stars, so you can't really get them the wrong way around. And they do just literally pop on and click, and that's it guys, all finished. They go around like they're supposed to, nothing in the way, and we're done. It just brings that little bit extra bling into the interior, makes it look a bit more updated. Cheap mod for about a tenner. So now you know what to do. One of the easier mods to the Mazda 2, and I recommend everyone gives it a go themselves. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one.